Alright guys, so if you're having problems with your Volvo and hard starting, D11, D12, D13, and D16, as far as I know, they all have injector issues, which means they have a hard starting issue sometimes, or injector cup issues they have, or they have air and somewhere in the fuel lines. Here is a temporary fix. Please get this fixed as soon as possible. I just need to run a few trips and then get this hard starting issue fixed. But overall, this is just a simple fix. So what we're gonna do is gonna put it in here in the key in the ignition. We're gonna pop open the hood. Right, we popped open the hood carefully. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna climb over here, and if you can see, this tool right here where my hand is at is a priming pump. You're gonna want to prime this until it becomes hard. And now we start. Check, make sure everything is neutral. This is the manual. Here we go. It's still hard starting, but it's not going to be as hard. There you go. And you have your, and it started. That's it.